Good evening, everyone. My voice is clear. My voice is clear. Yes. Okay. So this is your task 6 class, right? Yes. Okay. So first of all, I'll give you the description of your task 6 class. Okay. So basically, the description is you have to develop a billing software application. Okay. Using Python that includes a user-friendly graphical user interface. Okay, for managing customer transactions, generating invoices, and tracking sales. Okay, and the application should handle product details, pricing, customer information, and generate printable bills or invoices. Okay, and your responsibility is to set up an environment. You have to install and configure necessary software and libraries, example Python and Tinker. And second is database design, which in this you have to design the database schema to store product, customer, and transaction details. Okay, and last is your GUI design and development. So in this you have to design the layout of the application using Tinker or any other Python GUI framework. Okay, and you have to create forms for product entry, customer details, billing, and invoice generation. So this task 6 you have to do your own. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen and I'm going to show you my task 6 code. Okay, but I'll just give you the brief, all the main things you have to do yourself. Okay, and my billing software is of the restaurant management system. Okay, so here is our code, which is restaurant management system by using the Python library, which is Tinker. Okay, so you have to do this on, you have to make a billing software. It depends on you whether you want to do for restaurant or anything or for shop. It depends on you. Okay, so basically I'll give you the brief and you have to do yourself and you have to make your code all yourself. Okay, and if you face any doubt, then you can ask me in the doubt group. Okay, and if majority people will face doubt, then we'll schedule a doubt class for it. Okay, so now comes the first important part of you is to import the suitable libraries. So these all are the libraries, which is Tinker. Okay, and this is your request library, you all know, and datetime, you know, for changing your datetime format into the proper datetime format. Okay, so these all are suitable libraries, you have to install it first. Now this is for the button code. This is the functions code. Okay, so this is your function. The first function is your total bill function. In this is my restaurant management bill. Okay, so in this I have fixed my lassi coffee tree price, this 50, 20, 10, 30, 50. Okay, so these prices are fixed. So this is the function for fixing our price, and this is for drinks item quantity. This will check the quantity. Okay, it will fetch the quantity, means it depend on us that we have to fill it manually. If the customer want that, if the customer want 5 lassi, so we have to manually type 5. Okay, so this is for item quantity. Okay, and this is for food items quantity basically. Okay, so next is for food items quantity, that yes, that it how like which quantity, like how much the roti dal makhani the customer want. Okay, so this you have to make, and then comes the these comes the drink item validation. Okay, so these are the function which says it will give you error if you see. So basically this how it will work. You have to click on that. See, if here is lassi, okay, then, you have to click on that lassi part, then there will be a box in which you have to mention the quantity. If you didn't mention the quantity, then this error will pop up which says you that please fill the lassi quantity. Okay, so these all are the functions for filling your quantity. Okay, otherwise these error will show you in your screen. Okay, and similarly this is for food items. This is for roti dal makhani. These all are drinks, and these are all foods item. Okay, so this you have to make. Then this comes the total drinks item price, means the total price of your lassi into the quantity. So this function will multiply your price with the quantity and it will give you the result. Okay, so this is for totaling, and this is the overall total drink. Means if the customer want one lassi, two coffee and three tea, so this function will sum up all the drinks and it will give you the answer. Okay, so yes, so this function will do this. Now this is for same, this is for total foods item price. Okay, so it will multiply the price of your food with the quantity the customer want. Okay, and this is your total food price. Now this is come the service charge. Service charge is concluded in your total bill. So this is how we get the service charge, which is total paid tax. This is your tax, which is FCDC. Okay, this is your service charge, and we have to multiply with 8 and into 100. So this is going to be a total paid tax. Okay, and this is for tax, and this is your subtotal cost, and this will be your total cost, the total sub cost plus total paid tax. Okay, because we have to include the GST, service charge, etc. Now this function will handle the total bill receipt. Okay, so this function is for handling the total bill receipt. Now this is for the save button code. For saving our bill, we have to click on the save button. So this is your saving button code. Okay, and now comes the drinks check button validation. So if you want lassi, then you have to click in that box. Okay, so this is for drink check button validation. So these all are things you have to do, and these are setting its BG and FG is your label colors and your text colors. Okay, so these are all check button. These are food check button validation. Okay, and this is your calculator. See, we have to make a small calculator also in our billing system so that we can calculate as per the customer wants. Okay, so if customer wants, just tell me the how my bill will be if I order this. So for just as assumption or just to check the rate, we have to use our calculator. So we have to build a calculator to in our billing system, a small calculator. So these all are for calculator. You all know how to make a calculator. Okay, we already did in our previous task. Now this is these, yeah, so this is your calculator. Now this is your send button code. Means after clicking send, after clicking the send button, the kind of page will occur that you have to mention its number first. Okay, you have to mention that phone number. In that phone number your bill details will be shared. Okay, means your bill details will going to be shared on your personal number. Okay, so this is for send bill through SMS. So this code is for send button. Okay, after clicking send, your send bill function will going to be pop up. Okay, else if you didn't fill the phone number, then this message will occur, which is please fill the phone number. Okay, and if the detail is empty, then it will show you that bill details is empty. Okay, so this is for send code. Now root dot main loop is for starting your tinter loop. Okay, now this is for exit button code. If you want to exit your billing software, then you have to use this exit button. You have to click this exit button. Okay, and now this is come for clear button code. See, if you want to clear for another customer, one customer is done, then you have to click on this clear button. Then you can then you can make the second customer bill. Okay, so this is for clear button code. This is your clear button code. And now this is for main window code. This is for initializing your main window. Okay, you all know how to initialize your main window. This is the geometry. This is for fixing your size of your management billing software, and this is for maximum min size. This is your title, which is restaurant management system. Okay, and these all are, see, these all are for the labels part. These all are the labels part. You all know how to set a label, so these all are for labels part. Okay, and these two, the drinks, these for cost of drink, this is for food of cost, this is for service charge label, this is for paid tax label, and this is for subtotal and total cost label. So these all are for labels, and these are for calculator. Okay, 987 plus, yes. So in the end, root dot main loop means you have to initialize, you have to open your thinker loop. Okay, so after clicking on run, here is our restaurant management system. Okay, so here these all are the labels. Okay, and here these all are the validation points. So if the customer want coffee, shakes, shikanji, and in food they ordered dal makhni, roti, and rice. Okay, and inside this blue box we have to mention the quantity of coffee. 2 coffee they order, 1 shake they order, shikanji is 1, then roti they ordered 10, and dal makhani they ordered only 1. Okay, and rice is also 1. Okay, so after clicking on total, this is your total of your drinks, and this is cost of your food. So total cost of drink is your 105, and total cost of food is your 220. This is your service charge already calculated, and this is your paid tax, which is 26, and this is your subtotal, which is 335. So and after adding your subtotal plus pay tax, this is your total cost, which is 361. Okay, so this is your total cost, which is 361, and this is your bill number. So bill number is also generated. This is this time, and this date time is also generated by using the datetime library. Okay, and this is how your bill is generated, and here total is 361. The customer have to pay this. Okay, so now this is your all button, save, send, exit, see. So if you want to save your bill, then you have to click on save button, and you can save here. Okay, and if you want to, if then we have to send the bill to the customer. So here is, you have to mention the phone number. Okay, so here is the phone number. Okay, so here is the customer phone number, and this bill we have to send to our customer phone number. Send bill, you have to click on send bill, and bill has been sent to you to your successfully. Okay, so this is how you can send bill to. Now see, this is for clear button. After clicking clear button, all the things are clear. Then you can use your restaurant management billing system for another customer. Okay, after clicking clear, all will be clear. Okay, and this is your last button. This is your calculator for just checking the calculation if the customer want. Okay, so this is for calculation. Okay, if the customer want. So this is how you can do. Okay, and this is your exit button code. After clicking this, do you want to exit the application? Yes. Okay, so application is closed. So basically this is how you have to make a billing software of the restaurant management system. Okay, so I hope this is clear.